Hello everyone! Today's video is all about discussing the new technologies that can aid in the compliance to maritime environmental protections. First is, what is the benefits of new technologies for maritime environmental protection compliance? New technologies offer significant advantages in ensuring compliance with maritime environmental regulations. These technological advancements are not merely improving efficiency but are fundamentally transforming the maritime industry's approach to environmental protection, enabling more effective compliance, reduced environmental impact, and more sustainability future. The first technology that I will discuss is cleanup and remediation. The ocean cleanup array. This system uses a floating barrier to collect plastic waste in the ocean, effectively removing debris and reducing pollution. AI-powered cameras. These cameras can identify and track plastic waste, enabling more efficient cleanup efforts. Robotic systems. Robot can be deployed to collect debris from the seabed and coastal areas, assisting in cleanup operations. The next one is electronic monitoring systems. Functionality. Provide real-time data on fuel consumption, emissions, and other operational parameters. This data helps ships owners and operators monitor compliance with regulations like MARPOL Annex 6, which limits sulfur emissions. The benefits of this is reduce human error, enable proactive compliance, and provide valuable data for optimizing ships' efficiency. The next one is AI-driven compliance software. The impact of this is AI software automates reporting and documentation processes, reducing administrative burden and improving operational efficiency. The benefits of this is technology helps shipping companies streamline compliance tasks and ensure accurate record keeping, leading to reduced penalties and improved regulatory compliance. The next one is remote inspection drones. The efficiency of this is drones can inspect a ship's hull in a fraction of the time it takes traditional methods, reducing inspection costs and downtime. The benefits of this technology allows for more frequent inspections, ensuring compliance with hull maintenance standards and reducing the risk of environmental damage. The last I discuss is green technologies. Alternative fuels. The use of alternative fuels such as biofuels and LNG helps reduce greenhouse gas emissions and improve air quality. The energy-efficient designs. Ships designs incorporating energy-efficient features like optimized hull shapes and propeller systems contribute to fuel savings and reduce emissions.